Hey guys, Mike with Mobile Lead Auto coming on here just to speak about customer supply parts. We get a lot of people that call in wanting their parts replaced, installed, and we don't do it for insurance purposes. We don't do customer supply parts, and also reasons of just the high failure rate of some aftermarket parts. So we only use parts we trust, parts we have used over and over and over and have low comeback rate on. That's the main thing. We want to fix your car once and we don't want it coming back. We don't want your car to be in and out of the shop having to be fixed several times. So we don't do customer supply parts. It'll be like taking your own steak to a restaurant, even though it's cheaper, trying to get them to cook it for you. Better yet, or go to it's like going to a movie theater and handing them a bag of popcorn. Can you pop this because I got it cheaper? Just for us, it doesn't make sense to us because we are a business and we use parts we trust, and we just have to do what's best for business, best for the company. So we don't do customer supply parts, and we get a lot of customers that get mad about that. But it's becoming less and less common for a shop or somebody that is a shop and is a legitimate business through the state that they don't take customer supply parts. We don't do it specifically for insurance purposes and the comeback rate other parts, but there may be some other shops out there to still do it. If you are one of those shops that still do it, or DIYers or side jobbers, let me know in the comments what you think about that. I'd like to hear your take on it, or other shops, if you can tune in on this too. Okay, thank you for tuning in. Mobile Lead Auto out.